Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Ayers here and welcome to another math lesson. Today we're going to be doing 8.2, continue to solve problems with coins. Our learning target says I can solve problems with coins. Our vocabulary today is greatest value. Well, what does the greatest value mean? It means that which coin has the biggest number? What is it worth? And when we talk about greatest number value, we also have to think about our least value. Which one of the coins have the least number in value? And so we're going to think about that using our charts. We could use our coin charts that we've created to help us understand what each coin is worth. Before we do that, let's do our problem of the day. We have here Mike has these coins. How much money does he have? Well, they put our coins in order for us, so all we need to do now is try to add them together to figure out their value and how much our coins are worth altogether. So he has here 2 quarters, 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies, two of everything. And so let's think about that. He has here a quarter, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. I'm going to try to write 25 cents right here. Put my decimal, put my cent sign. And then I'm going to add another quarter. So 25 plus another 25 would be 50 cents. You got it. 50 cents. So far he has 50 cents. Then I'm going to add this dime right here. I already know that a dime is worth 10 cents. So 50 plus 10 would be 60 cents. Put my cent symbol right here. Then I'm going to add another dime. So 60 plus 10 would be 70 cents. Good job, guys. So, that cent sign came a little good. All right. Then I have here a nickel. Now I'm going to add a nickel, which is 5 cents, to my 70 cents. That would be 75 cents. And then 75 cents plus another nickel, another 5 cents, would be 80 cents. Good. Then I'm going to add 1 cent, which is a penny. And so 80 cents plus 1 penny would be 81 cents. And then 81 cents added to this last penny right here, 1 cent, would be 82 cents. There you go. So how much did Mike have in coins? He has 82 cents. Let me see if I could put it right here. Good. And then I have my cent symbol. Great job, everyone. So today we're going to actually be looking at these coins again, and we're going to be mixing them up. We need to put our coins from greatest value, starting with the greatest value, to the least value. That's the best way to try to count our coins when we have them. We just put them in order and then we start counting. So the first thing we're going to do is put our coins in order. We have a bunch of coins here, right here on the bottom. The Hulk has all these coins. He has here a quarter, a nickel, a $half, a penny, and a dime. So let's think about which one of these coins is our greatest value. Well, I could refer to my coin chart, and I already know that this $half has the greatest value. It's the biggest coin. Even though we don't use them as much anymore, it's still the greatest value amongst the other coins. Then we have here our quarter. Our quarter would be our next one, followed by, which one of these coins would be the next one? If you guessed it, it would be a dime. And even though the dime is one of the smaller of the coins, it's still worth more than the next one, which would be our nickel, followed by our penny. Here you go. Here's our penny. All right, so now we've put them in order from greatest to least. Our next job is to add our values together to find out what is our total. So let me get my pen here ready. All right, so I know that a $half is just that in its name. It would be half a dollar, so it would be 50 cents. Okay, then I'm going to add my 25 cents from my quarter. So 50 plus 25, if you want to do a little mental math there, 50 plus 25 would be 75 cents. That's what you got. Good job. Now I'm going to add my dime here. I know a dime is worth 10 cents, and so I am going to add 10 cents plus 75 cents would be 85 cents. My decimal right here. And then I'm going to add 85 cents plus this nickel right here. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. So 85 plus 5 would be 90 cents. Okay, 90 cents plus this penny right here would be 91 cents. So our total of coins our Hulk here has was 91 cents. There you go. We put them from in value from greatest to least, and then we started to calculate them. We started to add them together to find how many coins we had in all. Let's do another one. Oh, he has a lot of coins here. Okay, our first step is to put them from greatest to least. So which one of these coins would go first? He has a nickel, a quarter, a dime, a penny, another dime, and another quarter. So which one of these coins would go first? That's right, it would be a quarter. And I already know there's another quarter here, so I'm going to line that one up right next to it. And then now we're thinking about which one of our coins. Don't fall for the trick of size. Remember, our dime would be our next coin in value. We have 2 dimes here. I'm going to line them up. And then you have here your nickel. And last but not least, our penny. Good. So we've put them in value. We put them in order from greatest to least. Now we're going to add them together. So we start off with our quarter. Our quarter is worth how much? How much was our quarter? That's right, 25 cents. Good, I'm going to write it. Okay. Now we have here 25 cents plus another 25 cents. How much would that be? That would be 50 cents. Remember, always 2 quarters is 50 cents. I always like to remind my students, you have 1 quarter 25, 2 quarters 50 cents, 3 quarters 75, and 4 quarters is $1. So that's always a good way to kind of remember that. So 50 cents plus our dime right here would be 60 cents. Plus another dime right here would be 70 cents. Plus our nickel right here. Our nickel is worth 5 cents, so that would be 75 cents. And last but not least, we have here our penny. Our penny always ends up being last. Our penny is worth 1 cent, and that would be 76 cents. There you go. So our total amount of coins right here, our whole has is 76 cents. Good job. Oh, there you go. All right, guys. So now let's put this into practice. What I want you to do is take a moment to go onto Google Forms and start your task cards. Use your values or your chart, rather your coin chart, to help you in case you need to know how much our coins are worth, and use a little scrap paper if you need to add them up on the side to help you as well. Okay? All right, guys, have a great afternoon and stay safe.